What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. On this episode of E46 build we will be installing CarPlay into my Android Headunit here. This one here was 70 bucks on Amazon, so if you guys want to pick it up it will be linked in the description. So inside, instructions. Careful because there is a SD card there that has the application which we will be installing. What we're going to do is put this into our USB port on the Headunit and then just run our Apple or Android USB into this and it should work. So first things first. So now that we got our micro SD card here, we're going to insert it into the Headunit. We're just going to go to APK installer, hit install. We're looking for this and just hit install. And now we want to open it up. Now for the next step, we will take our adapter. And over here I did run my USB through my glove box. So now that that's plugged up in there, it will light up over here. And you will get a prompt on your Headunit here. We want to select use by default and hit OK. Just like that. Now that we got our cable plugged into the adapter and our iPhone here, all we do is connect it, and it will also be charging your phone here. And there we go. In here it will have the apps you have installed on your iPhone if they are supported by CarPlay. There's maps with traffic enabled. Yep. If you guys are familiar with Apple CarPlay, it basically connects your iPhone onto your Headunit here, and you can do plenty of things like play music. Let's see. And it's very responsive. Super quick.
What's the trick?
Yeah, we don't want to get copyrighted. What is 10 plus 10?
10 plus 10 is 20.
Text Stella, hey.
Your message to Stella 2 hearts says hey. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
That's pretty nice. What else do we have here? We have your phone.
Who do you want to call?
So in here you can look through your contacts. Notification here.
Stella 2 hearts said, sup.
Testing out Apple CarPlay.
Your message to Stella 2 hearts says testing out Apple CarPlay. Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
That's pretty responsive. And we got maps here with traffic. And if we want to go back to our screen here, I think I will add mine over here, so that way I could add it to the screen here. So I just noticed when you click on music here, it actually will open up your music app. That's super quick. Let's see if we set a map on here. Let's see.
Stella 2 hearts said, figured LOL. Would you like to reply?
Cancel. So let's see if we type in an address here. Let's do BMW northwest. Let's see if we start it. So if I zoom in here, it will show me the GPS. So yeah, that's pretty much it here. If you guys want to get Apple CarPlay on your E46, I highly recommend it. Again, it's super responsive, really changed up the head unit and how I will be using it. Also, shout out to XTrans. They were kind enough to also send me this DVR, which I have located up top right there. It's a pretty small little camera there, and I have it wired around, and it works really good. If I can find some videos here of me driving. I recently formatted the card, so there we go. Very nice. And they did also send me a backup camera. So look at that. Backup camera in an E46. So now we got front view, and when I put into reverse, we do have backup camera. So thank you XTrans for watching my head unit video and sending these out. I will try and find some links to these products that they sent out to me, and I will attach them in the description below. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.